Hi guys, I'm Elaina. You can find me on What Presents Plus on Painted with Raven Season 2, available right now. On my channel, you see different makeup looks, fantasy looks, drag, and celebrity impersonation, you name it. In today's video, we're doing one of my favorite things, reviewing color contact lenses, and I got a free PR from Myeyebb. And these are the new ones I haven't tried yet. So all 5 pairs in here, so you're gonna see them at the same time as me. I haven't tried them on yet, so I'm very excited. So all the information is gonna be listed in the description box, including my discount codes, Elaina20 for 20% off, and Elaina for buy 2 get 2 free. So let's get into the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring notification bell. So let's get into it. So thank you, Myeyebb, for sending me over this PR box. This is gifted. This is PR, just to get that out of the way. So I received 5 contact lenses, 3 of which I chose myself, and 2 was like a gift from them, which actually I think I'm gonna like theirs a little more than my choice. So each box comes with a bottle like this. This is for extra cleansing. It's all in Chinese here, but I purchased this before. It's like a solution of peroxide, I believe. I have a solution, special solution that you can soak your lenses once in a while to get rid of the buildup. And it's not like every time. It's like once in a while thing. It's like you put the contact into this kind of contraption, right? And you soak it in. And bam, I guess both contacts go in there left and right. I've done it a couple of times, but since I don't wear them every day, I don't need them anymore, so I don't really use this. And we got a little brochure here. It's cute, I love butterflies. So it has all explanation, like for dark eyes. It's designed for dark eyes, and there's, you know, you can wear them for light eyes too, who cares. And here, all the other stuff, how to care for them, obviously clean your hands, blah blah. So this is the information, and we got the tool. So one is for putting the contact in on the stick, and one is for taking them out. Obviously the tips are silicone, so you don't damage the contact or your eye. For me, it's just easy to use my finger, so I'm not gonna use this today. And we got 5 boxes of contacts. Each box comes with a container where you store contacts, and I also got 1 extra box just in case, which is nice because you're supposed to dispose them every 30 days, which is like, of course I'm guilty for not doing it. But you know, you're supposed to. So you're supposed to clean your hands and all this stuff. Well, my hands already clean. So we got 5 boxes. One is Ariana. That's the one they sent me. They're all about the same price, $26.99 and $28.99. The brown one is $26. I believe it's Gold Green and Urban Blue are $28.99. The other three is $26.99, and with, I'll tell you, they gave me discount code, so I have my own discount code, Elaina20. So with Elaina20, you get 20% off, and with the code Elaina, you get 2 lenses. You buy 2 lenses, you get 2 for free. So it's 2 codes, Elaina20 for 20% off, and Elaina for buy 2 get 2 free. So that's a pretty good deal. So just to get the out of the way, my eyes used to be brown. I had keratopigmentation, which is a safe way to change your eye color. If it's your first time watching my channel, go check it out. I might link this if I don't forget, sorry. But I do have keratopigmentation on my channel, the video explaining what it is and how it's done. And now my eyes are blue, but yet you still can wear contact lenses for Halloween looks, for different makeup looks, just to play, you know, not that I wear them every day, but it's fun. It's fun for the makeup. So let's get to trying them on. First of all, the specs are almost all the same for them. They're all base curve 8.6 millimeters. They're all made of hammer, and the water content is 40%, and the period of use is 12 months, all of them. and diameter is 14.2, except for the brown ones. The brown ones are slightly enlarging, so the brown ones has 14.5, so that should be interesting. I like the ones it's like really enlarging. They're really cool, and they are available in prescription except for one, and I think it's the Ariana one. The Ariana one is not available in prescription. The rest of them are available in prescription. So let's get right into this, and I'm gonna leave the one I think is gonna be my favorite for the last, as I always do. The weirdest one, the cyan one, that's like very interesting color. So we're gonna start with the Van Gogh green, which I think it's a little darker than expected, so I might not like it as much, but we shall see. So this is what it looks like. So just as a disclaimer, I have the Van Gogh gray that I purchased myself before, and that one is very light, so I thought this is gonna be light, but you know, you never know. So put one in, and then you're gonna see. So the Go Green, they don't say they're enlarging, but they definitely look bigger than my ball. So let me zoom in so you can see everything. All right, that's pretty close. So you see my eye, and this is Go Green. Actually, it's very pretty. I thought it was gonna be like super dark, but it's a little darker versus like my eye color now. But it's enlarging and it gives you a little more drama, like oh, mystery. I like the print on them. It gives you a very natural, realistic look. You know, the lines. Gives you pretty much a very natural eye, except for it's slightly larger. It looks very real, like it's my own color. I wouldn't think that people would even notice those are contacts. This like one of the ones that kind of look very natural. The pupil hole is medium, not the smallest one. You can really see out of it well, which is really good. So I imagine you'd be able to drive at night with no problems. And yeah, there's nothing I don't like. There's slight limbo ring in it, but not much. It's like slightly dark, which I like. I like very subtle limbo rings. So let me put the other one in. That's really pretty. I'm looking like from the distance, and they do look very, very natural. These are the ones that be like, it would be hard to tell if it's contacts or it's your eyes. I'm really impressed with them. Beautiful. So let's move on to the next one. So next up is Pearlescent Brown. I'm just going in my own order, like regardless. I usually start with the ones that think I'm not gonna like them most, and then turns out I'll like them, you know. Well, I picked them myself. Well, this one actually they picked for me. And Pearlescent Brown, I don't know, you'll be able to see it, but it looks like it has like a little glitter specks in the print. It's so cool. Like, I don't know if you can see it, but like the inside part, the light brown, has a little like a specks of glitter. It has a strong limbo ring. And I'm excited. It looks like it's going to be very enlarged now. Ooh, wow. This is actually lighter than I thought it was going to be. Because, you know, when you hear brown, since I come from brown eyes, I'm like, ugh. But yeah, this is like, literally looks like yellow with a dark limbo ring. You know, first impressions are always incorrect. Almost always. This is really, really cool. I love that. Look at that. Check that out. It's very enlarging and gives it this doll eye look, like, oh, they're cute. Again, for Halloween look and even non-Halloween, I mean, they don't look the most natural, like if people look at you, but, you know, from a distance, like 3 feet away, nobody probably gonna notice anything, but they are more like in your face. So these are both in, both Pearlescent Brown. Now these are beautiful, gorgeous. I would even call them like a yellow amber rather than brown. They're so, so pretty. The dark limbo ring, it's almost black. Look at this kind of like a dark, dark, dark brown. It's gorgeous, very piercing, very in your face. I love these. This absolutely stunning. So they picked this for me. So thank you, Myeyebb baby. You picked the real good ones. I would have never thought to pick this, but this is so, so pretty. Look at that. Again, there's a pattern. There are those lines to make it natural, but of course they're not all that natural. But these are like outstanding. To my taste, they're beautiful. So let's move on to the next one. So next one's up, Ariana. So it has blue on the outside and yellow kind of tone on the inside. I feel like all of them are slightly enlarging. I thought they were natural size, but it says 14.2, maybe 14.0 is my size, but this is so pretty. I like the enlarging. The more enlarging, the more youthful and more of a animated you look. So I like that. And the limbo ring is just right. It's not too dark. There's pattern. There's like a little bit of brown in the middle. So if you have brown eyes, it's gonna blend. Like my eyes, you still can see a little brown like in the middle. So it blends. And it has like a yellow greenish on the outside and the blue rainbow ring. Mwah, beautiful chef's kiss. I'm in love with these. This might be actually my favorite if I don't find someone else. I mean, contacts are fun, you guys. Even if you have the color of the eyes you love, wearing contacts is just fun. For makeup, for different looks, for Halloween, you name it. Any reason. Just like different outfits. So I'm gonna zoom in so you can see better. And sorry, there is no daylight. It's already dark and a bit late, so I'm filming in the dark. So I have to look at the studio lights. So there you go. Beautiful, beautiful pattern. I would say the pattern looks real nice and natural, like a natural eyes. And probably from a distance, you would look like you have a hazel eye. But, you know, up close, they do look very, very bright and piercing. Drama the house. So let's move to the next one. So next up is Urban Blue. So they look like this. There you go. Yeah, I forgot to mention the pupil holes on the other contacts that I tried on. They're all good. They're all the same size. And not too large, where you can see like too much of your eye, and not too small, where it actually blocks your vision. Because that would be problematic to drive at night. Oh yeah. Oh yes. Definitely, definitely exactly what I was thinking. They make your eyes brighter and lighter. So like compared to my blue eye color, you'll see, I'll zoom in. This one is lighter, has a little green to it. Actually, when I rotate it, I think one side of it is more blue and one side of it is more green. So, and when I turn around, you see more green on one side and you see more blue, which is kind of cool. Like you can turn around and you can see more green and you can see more blue. I've never seen that before. That's really cool. Let me zoom in. So that's a contact and that's my eye. Again, slightly enlarging. Very beautiful diffuse pattern, not too in your face and too printed. It looks very diffused. And looks very, very natural. This one actually could pass, I think, for light eyes easily. The limbo ring is not too dark, not too in your face printed like the other ones, or like more animated. These are natural. So both are in, and there's some really pretty ones. This might be actually my favorite. I don't know, maybe I like the last one that I saved for the last. There you go. So let's move on to the last one. I'm excited. So the next one and the last one is Magic Coral Cyan Green. Yeah, the pupil hole is a little bigger than the other ones. But the color is like nothing natural about this thing. Holy cow! Oh my god! Even for me, I've never seen so much brightness. Holy shish kebab. This looks like it has neon in it. I don't know how they did this. How the hell did they do this? It looks neon. Like the green part, the highlighted part, it literally looks neon. Wow. These are definitely Halloween ones. They're so freaking beautiful though. I'm not gonna describe it to you. This is nothing natural about this one, and I live for this. Wow, 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 wow. That is so cool. There you are. It literally looks like my eyes are emitting the light out of them. It looks like I'm shooting fluorescent light. It would be cool to kind of be like some kind of dark superhero, you know, shooting lightning up their eyeballs or something. I can totally do something real cool for Halloween in this one. Love it, love it, love it. And the color is gorgeous, gorgeous turquoise. Cyan green, kind of a turquoise. I would say like between blue and green turquoise. Let me zoom in closer so you can see all the gorgeousness and weirdness. Look at that. That is so cool. I don't think I ever had contacts that bright. This is unbelievable. So go to Myeyebb and pick this up. If you want something cool for Halloween, this will like the impress me beyond. This is absolutely cool. The coolest contacts. I'm blown away. This is absolutely cool. So I kept this in for the outro. In conclusion, I'm very happy with this brand. So this is the new thing. I never tried this brand before, Myeyebb. So very impressed. I would say let's rate them 1 through 5, which one's my favorite. So to be fair, this is a Halloween one, so I can't say they're my favorite. I would say my favorite are Urban Blue, the piercing blue ones. These are second ones, 100% number 2. They're so freaking cool. It's between these and Urban Blue, that's number 1. Then the third one would be Ariana. Oh, Ariana is so gorgeous. I'll live for this one, just live for them. And then it's gonna be Pearlescent Brown. I actually like Pearlescent Brown more than I like Van Gogh Green. That's just because I don't like natural ones, and these are probably the most natural ones. So that's my rating. Leave me a comment below which one's your favorite. I mean, if you're like extra like me, this can be your favorite. So remember, use Elaina 20 for 20% off on myeyebb.com. I'm going to list all the links in the description box to their store, to their Instagram, and also my referral link. So if you click to my referral link, which I like clicked myself to see what happens, and it takes you to use 20% off pretty much. But so if you want to use buy 2 get 2 free, I'm just reading, you can use Elaina without Elaina 20. So that's 2 codes. So this is going to be all in the description box, so you can see how to use it. So if you guys are interested, if you're a fan of contact lenses, they're inexpensive, 26 bucks plus 20% off, or even better, buy 2 get 2 free. That's a real good deal. It's like makes each contact like 13 bucks, like do the math. So I would definitely use that. So good luck shopping, enjoy, and leave me a comment below, like this video, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and free notification bell, and follow me on social media, all the links below. I'll post the pictures on Instagram, so you'll see all the close-ups. So thank you all for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!